Welcome to G Unpopular Views podcast,
where we discuss culture, tradition, customs, political and social stories.
When the land is taken via women. Land is always taken via women. It is alleged that the so-called king or chief Solomon Ogbonna Ezaki, the one who coronated himself together with the Igbo people in the Eastern Cape, in the East London, is married to a South African woman, is a South African wife, a Xhosa woman. The more you realize South African women keep bringing this country in disrepute. South African women keep creating a whole lot of havoc for this country, one way or another. And they are the one that runs their mouths loudly about anything, but they keep bringing trouble in this country. The same people that they always complain about abuse, people from outside. The same people that they keep complaining about drugs, people from outside, are their husbands, are their fiancés and boyfriends. And we are all, as South African men, have to be insulted every day, day in, day out, because of their bad, stupid choices that they make all the time. Now we have to deal with an Igbo king in Kukombo, East London, because of our South African woman who allegedly is married to this chief or king Solomon Ogbonna Ezaki. What's wrong with South African women? What's really wrong with South African women? They talk a lot. They keep talking a lot. Social media. They keep creating a mess in this country. When it comes to our custom, culture, and tradition, there shouldn't be politics. We don't even compromise. We shouldn't even be compromising. We should even be discussing or deliberating on anything that seeks to undermine this country's sovereignty. This country's customary laws, customs, traditions can never be undermined by any national, legal or illegal. I'm saying this because we've seen the past weekend where there was the Igbo community in the East London. The place now is called, it's no longer called East London. They decided to call it Kukombo or Kukompo, whatever. Okay, that's a debate for another day. But the Igbo community in Kukombo have decided to install a chief, a king, as Igbo people under Umhlaba or Kgakgabe, under the land of King Kgakgabe, the junior house, the Xhosa junior house of Kgakgabe, of King Jongikolo Kasandile. That's very disrespectful. That land where you Igbo people are saying you are installing a king without even following due process, which it will never happen. You can never have a king in South Africa. It's impossible because the Khoisan Act clearly defines, stipulates clearly who can become a king, a chief in this land of ours. You now pushing this further than you beating more than what you can chew. It must never be allowed. It must never. But I'm glad that COGTA is very clear that this nonsense, we must call it what it is a nonsense, that this chief Solomon Ogbonna Ezika of Igbo land is calling himself king in Kukombo, formerly known as East London in South Africa, without following due process. The High Commission of Nigeria, as COGTA has said, must be addressed. He must engage and address this matter. Again, COGTA has issued a statement that they have to unequivocally apologize. They must write a proper apology because they undermine our traditional and Khoisan Leadership Act. And our sovereignty of this country is being undermined by this so-called King Chief Solomon Ogbonna Ezika of the Igbo land in Kukombo, formerly known as East London. That nonsense must never be allowed. I don't understand how does people always find energy to fight all the other things, but something like this is happening in their community, these East London people and abantu base King Palo, people ba bo Khakhabe in those land, they all escaping. They now using Umthembu as gold, and which to that effect he has issued a statement through his spokesperson Sabathembu that no, we don't know anything about that. And that didn't even happen under the Thembu land. It's happening under the Khakhabe land. Nobody's saying anything, but they want to speak and complain when it involves EFF. They want to complain and speak when it involves Inkosi Yabathembu or Kumkani Yabathembu. In no way am I saying anything except to reiterate the fact that Kokta is right. We're not going to allow such nonsense in this country where people that are calling themselves king while they didn't follow the due process, which they can never be kings. No Nigerian, no Igbo person, no person can be a king in this land because they are not coming from this land. They are visitors. They will remain visitors in this land. That must be very clear, because that will be undermining our ancestors. The Question Act is very clear. How to identify leadership in the traditional leadership. The Question Act, Traditional and Question Act is very clear. Unequivocally, it's clear that for one to be recognized to be a king, that in that community, there must be history that shows the identity of the self-identification of that community. That's one. Two, there must be a distinct customary laws. And also, there must be a system of hereditary leadership, which in this case, with this Chief Solomon Ogbonna Eziga, there's no such nonsense leadership here in South Africa. Because in South Africa, I've always made videos. We've got King Yabathembu. We've got King, the senior house of Xhosa, that is YakwaXhosa, and the junior house, which is Khakhabe, where this nonsense is happening. We've got King of Avenda, we've got King of Mapedi, King Yamandebele Umaben. The rest are traditional houses, and they also know that procedure must be followed when you are installing, when you're coronating anyone. These Nigerian Igbo people, they are undermining and they are tasting South Africa. This nonsense that they're doing, they are tasting South Africa, and they must be dealt with accordingly. If this thing is left unattended, it's going to create a whole lot of havoc. There will never be a Nigerian king in this country or a chief. That will never happen. We come from far as a country. We've got laws that governs these things. Whoever your name is, Chibo, or when Chief Solomon Ogbonna Eziga of Igbo land, you will be a king in Igbo land, not here. We don't have any of our king in any way. Their kings are here, and there are only few houses which are recognized as kingship. That's even an undermining of our laws for yourself to even call yourself a king. While there are even Tsonga speaking people here who can't have a king in South Africa because of the laws. So people speaking who can't have kings because of laws. You come here and tell yourself a king. What kind of a nonsense king are you? We must be very clear about these things. We must not be apologetic when it comes to people undermining us. We must never allow people to undermine our laws. It must never be allowed. And unapologetic also, we will never allow that nonsense.